Hello, and welcome to Tuesday, day 2, March 9th. We are still in week 5 of Unit 1. Day 2, Tuesday, March 9th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have 2 activities to do in Async today. The first one is a Nearpod on reading strategy inference. We'll click here. And remember, when you have a Nearpod, you have a few options. You can do your Nearpod in here, or you can click the square and open it in a different page. Okay, so I opened it in a different page. My name, I click Join Lesson. Making inferences, and you'll read and take notes. A lot of reading and take notes. Read and take notes. Read and take notes. Read and take notes. Read and take more notes. Continue to do the same, read and take notes. Okay. And then you'll watch the video. You watch the video. Now, watching the video, there is a way you can make it go a little slower. So you click this time here and you could go slow or slowest. That way you can hear better. So make sure you watch the video. After finishing watching the video, you go to the next one. Continue to read and make notes. Then you have an open-ended question. So you have to go back to this slide, the previous slide. Remember the conversation, and then answer some questions about that conversation. Okay. And remember, you have to answer. This is just an example, and submit. Then you have a quiz. 5 questions. Okay. So you make an inference. And then click next. Read the question, make your inference. And then you get your score. And you continue. And you watch another video that has questions. Well, remember, when it stops at the blue dot, you answer the question. Remember to answer both questions when you're watching the video. And then you have fill in the blank. All right. You will click and drag the words to the right space. Okay. All right. When you're done, you click done and then close and you go to the next one. And this is a video and that's it. All right. Your second async activity is your vision board. So we talked about this. And remember to sign in to your Carlos Rosario email before you do this. Then you guys will click My Document, and then you'll click Edit, and you'll have the activity. So you are going to start your vision board, and you can put 2 images that represent your goals for the year. Okay. You can put 2 images. You can start to put some words if you would like. Do not click submit because you're going to submit when you're done. So we're starting it, but we're not finishing it today. Okay, let me know if you have any issues. All right, then the same directions from yesterday about the vision board will be here so you can see them. It'll be right in the async above my vision board. All right, it is Tuesday. That means we have Zoom class together. So we'll do a few more speaking activity. We'll practice some inferring and we will do an unscrambling activity. And that's it. Good luck.